What's up, everybody? Here we are with 2019 Topps Tier 1 Baseball PYT number 9. Good luck, guys. Thank you for the fill. We are going the hard 10, 5 and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nancy up, Tom down. And 10. And 10. The Royals up, the Red Sox down. And there are your squads. Get him, Arson. Andrews was apparently carded just a smidge before on the checkout. The cart does not lock it in. The execution of purchase in the store is what locks and secures. And you just missed it by mere seconds. I get it. Oh, you're Ripken guy, huh, Fogelman? I knew you're always on crack. Uh-oh, what is that? Just a same jersey card, or is it one of those jumbo patches on the outside? Interesting. Ho-ho! Jake Bowers, number to 5 for the Rays. Number to 375, Joe Mauer and Austin Meadows to 250. There you go, Zero Cool. Get you some. You can get yourself a $14 YOLO. Nice start for the Rays. Alex Wood, number to 299, Dodgers. Number to 375, Chris Davis. Number to 175, Bob Gibson. And Danny Jansen to 250. Some of the greats. Oh, Fogelman. I just so badly want to just disagree with you on that. I think a lot of people think much higher of Ripken than I do. Number to 40, Jeff Bagwell for the Astros. Number 375, Mitch Haniger for the Mariners. And number to 10, a tasty little treat, Kyle Seager for the Mariners. Ashley Larry from Chappelle Show. Okay, folks, we're on the same page then. Number to 299, Whit Merfield for the Royals. Number 375, George Springer, Astros. Number to 100, Ahmed Rosario. Guys, if you see William Fung, ask him about the Ahmed Rosario Orange Refractor Bowman Chrome Auto that he could have sold for like 3 stacks. It's a real hoot of a topic. Alex Bregman for the Astros. Bronze ink parallel. Number to 375, Abreu. Number to 250, Wilson. Iron Man. Hader, number to 299 for the Brewers. Number to 375, Trevor Story for the Rockies. Franklin Barato, number to 299 for the A's. They're certainly up there. Number to 25, Bert Blyleven for the Twins. Number to 375, Trevor Bauer, Indians. Scott Kingery to 200, Phillies. I agree. Barry Bonds should 100% be in the Hall of Fame, Fogelman. Same with Peter Rose. And probably A-Rod too, yeah. Just that one single card. Let's see if we can get it. Number to 299, Blake Snell for the Rays. Number to 25 for the Braves, Eddie Matthews. 375, Charlie Blackmon. Number to 25, Corbin Burns. George Springer, number 2. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh my God, this is so sick. Number 299, Segura for the Mariners. George Springer to 60. Andrew, you have two teams. One of the two teams would have gotten you $400 in break credit. No, it's not a filler team, Fogelman. However, you're still going to walk away with a tasty little treat, Andrew. Gleyber Torres, 1/1 bat knob. Nice hit, my dude. Very nice hit. Number to 25, Juan Soto for the Nationals. 375, Polanco. 375, Kluber. And number to 250, Jeff McNeil for the Mets. Got it, Andrew. Thank you, sir. Andy Pettitte, number to 25 for the Yankees. Number 375, Strasburg. And number to 150, Byron Buxton. I don't know if it's worth more than 400. It's certainly delightful, though. Jacob deGrom to 125 for the Mets. Number to 375, Alonso for the Indians. And Brian Anderson, number to 250 for the Marlins. Jeff, the real deal, McNeil. And that, my friends, was the break. Thank you all. Appreciate it, guys.